Where do I even begin? So many things have happened in the span of uh okay, from this day exactly right here, I have been debating myself on my head. One thing. Do I continue using Scratch or do I learn a new programming language? If you're new to the channel and don't know who I am a Scratch game developer. But the problem with Scratch is that this so-called game engine is for newbies that have no idea on what coding is. All the tools to program built into the website or app, if you have it on your computer, of course. This all seems like it is perfect for someone, but remember, this is for first timers. If you look at my profile, it was created over 2 years ago. But that's not all. That is my secondary account. I actually forgot the password for the original account so I had to make this one. Notice that too? If we copy and paste this name without the two, we find out that this was made almost 3 years ago. But wait, there is more. Back in 5th grade, my dad bought me an iPad so I can code. In none other than NBlock. This is a knockoff from Scratch, because Scratch doesn't port their app into phones. I don't know why, Scratch. I smell a missed opportunity to make more money. But anyway, let me do some quick math. 9 minus that 1, 14. There we go. 5 years! For 5 years, I have been using Scratch ever since 5th grade on my iPad. At this point in time, I don't even want to use Scratch anymore. It feels like it's so limited to someone like me. There are no blocks to manipulate the camera in Project, and yes, you use blocks instead of writing the code yourself. Although I really like that because you can make projects fast and troubleshoot without getting a headache from the hundreds of thousands of lines of code you have to write in traditional coding. But the workspace in Scratch for some reason is stuck on a 4:3 aspect ratio. And also, I don't get why this so-called stage is 480 pixels by 360 pixels. This is absolutely nothing compared by today's standards. This is so bad that if we go to Paint and made a 1080p canvas, copied and pasted a stage from scratch, we get this. This is so small, I can't even begin to complain. I like my videos being wide, not square like a Minecraft block. This is so small that when you take this so-called stage full screen, it is upscaled. Yes, you heard me right. This stage needs to be upscaled because it is so damn small. That's what she said. And also, but most importantly, Scratch add-ons. Why does this exist? No disrespect to the team, but this is actually a pretty good extension. I even use it most of the time. This is the best add-on that will help you when using Scratch as a whole. Oh my goodness. I can actually change the theme of Scratch from white to black. Why do I need an add-on to do something as simple as this? Okay, I'm gonna stop hating on Scratch. Turbo Warp. Okay, so this is off script, but I'm so tired of yapping about Scratch being so bad to the point I'm just gonna delete part of the script. Gone! So why keep using Scratch in the first place? I can just learn another programming language, but my viewers will keep waiting for me to make another game. If I even have one in the first place. And the learning curve can be way steeper than me using Scratch. And I even announced that I was making Scratch in space. And on top of that, I'm gonna learn another programming language in my next year of high school. So why even learn one in the first place? What if next school year it is totally a different one? What am I gonna do? It's the big question I ask myself over and over and over for the next 3 months. Look, I am tired. I don't want to keep editing this video no more. What I think I'm gonna do in the end is that I'm just gonna wait until this school year starts so that way in my programming class I can actually learn programming language that they want me to learn. I'm sorry that I don't feel like editing no more. The thing is, I don't feel like I'm actually doing this because it's actually fun. No, it just feels like a necessity that I need to end this video. I don't know what else to say apart from I do not know what I'm gonna do right now, but no, this is not a goodbye forever. I'm gonna keep doing YouTube, of course, because if it wasn't for YouTube, I would have never got into video editing, and it's so much fun. But right now, I don't feel anything. I just feel blank in the inside. I mean, I always wanted to make this video, but the thing is, I didn't know how to begin and how to end. And yes, I did remember that I wanted to use Scratcher Developer, but the thing is, I have a feeling that the Scratching is gonna copyright me, and my channel's gonna get taken down. But yeah, I'm sorry, I have to say goodbye now.